Welcome to this spacious corner lot home offering 2,623 square feet of living space, perfectly located in a strategic area of Port Richey. This home features newly installed luxury vinyl flooring, 2026, updated bathrooms, and a beautiful kitchen with direct access to the backyard, ideal for entertaining and everyday living. The property offers 4 large bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms, providing plenty of space and comfort for family and guests. The primary suite is generously sized and includes a walk-in closet and a private bathroom designed for convenience and comfort. Enjoy the benefits of no HOA and no CDD, no flood zone, giving you more freedom and flexibility. The property is fully fenced, featuring a double gate at the rear and an additional gate at the front, perfect for added privacy, security, and easy access.